Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. May stop working on millions of smartphones by 1st Jan 2021. Why I'm saying this, we will see the reason behind this and WhatsApp is going to roll out some new features the next year in 2021. We will see that new features as well. So, viewers, first feature that will roll out next year, WhatsApp may enable voice calling and video calling for its desktop desktop app. So you can have a voice call and video call on your desktop. And the second new feature that may roll out in 2021 for WhatsApp, it could be that you can paste the images. How it will work? You just need to go to your Photos app, select the photos, and you need to export this. And by exporting, you just need to copy and open your WhatsApp and paste. So here this you can copy paste the images in WhatsApp next year. And the third feature and most important feature that I talk about that WhatsApp may stop working. Why I said that? Viewers, WhatsApp is going to update its terms and privacy policy by 2021. Although date could be the change, and it is expected that it will start from first week of Feb. You need to agree to new terms and privacy policy. If you will not agree to new privacy and terms and conditions, your WhatsApp may stop working. So let's see. We will have to wait, and just it's around the corner. Don't We don't need to wait very much. This was the update and new features for WhatsApp viewers. I will keep you updated. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.